The purpose of this video is to show you how to look up great books on our library catalog and also how to put books on hold. The place to begin is at the Valley Middle School homepage, which is vmss.district196.org. Once you're there, you can hover over the Academics tab and then go to Library Media Center. Once you're here, find the button labeled Library Catalog and click on it. This is going to bring you to our library catalog collection under Destiny Discover. This is a fantastic setup because not only does it show you the pictures for a number of our different books, but it also gives you a top row that we can change out from week to week. Right now, we have it labeled with Hispanic Heritage Month, so lots of our great titles that fit in that category. When you scroll down just a little bit, it brings you to a topics row, and this is all the different genres that we have in our collection. So if I were to click on, say, fantasy fiction, it would show me every fantasy book that we have in our library. Scrolling down a little bit more, it brings us to collections, and these are different groupings of fiction and nonfiction under different topics. Everything from video game fiction to books for animal lovers, Black Lives Matter. We can click the arrow over here to learn about different other collections that we've started to put together and add to our catalog. Continuing down the screen, we can see also our collections of ebooks in the district, as well as a list of what are some of our most popular titles right now. You might notice that on some of these covers, there is a little red out symbol with a book. So of course that does mean the book is checked out right now. If it has a green in, it does mean that we have the book in the library at the moment. At the very bottom of the screen, we get to our audiobooks, and those are great for those that like to listen to the story that they're reading. If I know the book that I'm looking for, either by title or author, I can use the right corner magnifying glass and search by title or author, or if there's a topic I'm looking for, say cars or Marilyn Monroe. Right now I'm going to search for the book Smile by Raina Telgemeier. And you can see that it's not only one cover that comes up, it is giving me actually 18 results for Smile. So there's a number of different titles in our collection that have the word Smile in the title. But I do see the book right away here. I will caution you that sometimes you're going to see in the call number an ebook. So our ebook or our electronic book that you could read right on your iPad would be available to check out. Looks like our actual physical copy of the book is checked out at the moment. If you want to be put on hold for a book, you can go up right next to the magnifying glass and click on Login. This will bring you to this screen where you can type in your student ID number as your username and your school password. Usually that school password is the first 6 letters of your last name and the day of your birth. When I hit submit, it's likely going to bring me back here and it's going to ask me to search for the book again. Now, when I see this book, I can go down to the title and there are 3 little dots in the right-hand corner for that book. When I click on it, it gives me the option to hold the book. And if I were to click on hold, that book would be placed on hold for me. That now puts me on a waiting list, and I'll wait until I receive a message in Schoology to let me know that the book is available. If you have questions about how to use the library catalog on your iPad, please stop down to the Media Center and I'll be more than happy to help.